Welcome back, my dear friends. It's so good to have you here. This is my card art. As you know, I give you cool ideas, inspirations, and I show you some of my projects so you can get some ideas from me. My dear friend Meliza, she has some beautiful chickens, and look at the color of eggs that they make. Every single one of them is a different type of a hen, so of course their eggs look different. They are so beautiful, so I decided to get inspired. So this video will be about different ideas and inspirations that help me create my unique projects. Look how pretty they are. And I'm floating them in ice cube because I just hard boiled them. I'm going to eat them later with my family. So I made a rooster with golden feathers just because I liked him. He was so adorable. And here I made some stickers I wanted to give to her as a thank you from me to her for giving me the chicken eggs. And this is a stamping sequence from Stampin' Up. So what I did here is I created stickers that she can use on her carton of eggs that she gives out to her friends. So you know me, I like to do things, not the same over and over. So this is just a little video to show you, even though it's the same stamp, stamped out over and over to make little stickers that she can cut, I just made them look a little different. Add a few little weeds and little flowers and little greenery on the bottom and color the hens a little wild. And of course the eggs a little wild too. She said she really liked it, so score! I think I did well. So here are some photos. Look at the difference in the color of those eggs. And of course they were so good because they're all organic and very nicely fed. Just absolutely delicious. That's corned beef. I did some close-up photos here. And I was just using some normal supplies and of course a wooden rooster. And here are some more pictures. That's what her carton looks like. And what else inspires me? Of course, flowers. Flowers inspire everyone, I think. They're so beautiful. Look at these. My husband got these. They're just gorgeous and they smelled so good. So of course I'm thinking, oh, flowers, happy day, happy, happy. So I made a very simple card. And that's the inside of that card. And again, this is just to give you ideas and inspire you. And then I made a flower front on this card for my dear friend who just got a new home. And that's her card. And then a toast to us. This is from Lawnfawn. She's got cute little things. And then I just made this little lady with a little birdhouse because I was in that mood. And this card is made out of ribbons. I do have a video previously made for ribbon usage. And of course, ladybugs and more flowers. And here's a cute little hummingbird with some fuchsia. I like this one. And then some poppy flowers that I really, really enjoy making. And then, of course, just some other ideas, some other cards with butterflies. And then these are some packages that when I give away to my friends that I put together, like this one for an Easter basket, for example. And a cute little Happy New Year wish from me to you. And one more card. And you guys, thank you for being here. I always love to have you. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.